Want to know how to install or set up your audio editor? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily and step by step do it in just under a minute. So in this video, I am about to be showing you the tutorial of Audacity. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your web browser and then type in Audacity or int. So once I've typed it up, on the first link you should be seeing audacityteam.org. Just simply select it. And right here on top you should be seeing download Audacity with its version name. So you can just simply select it right here, and it should be automatically downloaded in an exe. So it simply scans out your current OS and gives you the file accordingly. And once the setup is done, you can just simply open up the wizard, and once the wizard is open up, you can simply type in the destination folder, follow the wizard's instruction, and it should be installed automatically. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Once that is done, your Audacity should open up and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.